Welcome to Monday. This is the Posts. The podcast, the ArtisanEnglish.jp idiom and word of the day blog post and podcast. Let's expand your repertoire today with Strata fees.
If you purchase an apartment as a family home or investment property, you also sign on the dotted line to pay strata fees. Strata fees are regular payments made by homeowners in a multi-unit building, such as apartments or condominiums, to cover the costs of shared services and maintenance of common areas. These fees include cleaning, landscaping, security, and repairs. Essentially, strata fees ensure that the building remains well maintained and that residents enjoy a comfortable living environment. For many high-rise homeowners, strata fees can become a significant financial concern. While they understand the need for these payments, the increasing amounts over time can be frustrating. Often, strata fees rise annually due to inflation, rising utility costs, or unexpected repairs. This can feel burdensome for residents who are already paying a hefty mortgage. Strata fees typically vary based on the size of the unit and the building's specific needs. Sometimes, homeowners may feel that their strata fees provide visible benefits, leading to dissatisfaction. Homeowners must stay informed about how their strata fees are being used. Participating in owners' meetings can provide insights into the financial management of the building and allow homeowners to voice concerns. Despite the potential drawbacks, strata fees are essential for maintaining the quality of life in high-rise buildings. They provide necessary services that would be difficult to manage individually. Homeowners must budget accordingly to accommodate these fees, which can be the bane of high-rise living if they continue to rise without clear communication from the management. Understanding strata fees and their implications is vital for homeowners in a shared living environment. Proactively managing and discussing these fees can lead to a more satisfying living experience with much less stress.
We'll leave it there for today, but we'll be back with new posts. Until we meet again, nurture your curiosity and learn something new daily at ArtisanEnglish.jp.